So get this. Australia is giving $50,000 for anyone outside their country, basically. Whatever, me and you can come out now from United States or definitely Chinese. Wait till you hear this. And if we buy their real estate, we buy their properties, you will get paid $50,000 Australian dollars. Who is paying for that is obviously the taxpayers. The Aussies are paying for this incentive. Now, annually, their real estate has been going up 30%, while in the United States is just over 10, around 11 or 12%. More details on this on latest Mike Maloney video. I will post it down below. He's definitely more fancy than whatever I'm doing here in the middle of nowhere. But this is the stuff I've been warning you guys about. This is what I've been talking about, the real estate bubble and what's been going on, and how basically Chinese are taking over, and how the middle class continues to get screwed. And this communist regime that's taking over the world, obviously in the United States, is basically already here. And the video touches up not just on real estate, it kind of goes a little bit again in that inflation, deflation that we've been talking about for a long time. And the debate is over. There is no one that can tell you anymore about deflationary time. Yes, it might come 6 months from now, a year from now, you'll see a deflation in real estate, in the stock market, blah, blah, blah. Maybe lumber goes down 160%. What if it continues to go up? The bottom line is right now, the inflation is here. Even the lie, the CPI from the biggest liars of all, the banksters, even their CPI is higher as they projected. It came out at 2.6 instead of 2.5. Obviously, it's just a notch over. But anyhow, they're not trying to hide it. They're saying, hey, we're losing a little bit of control here. It's higher than we expected, but we will get it up back under control. It's no big deal. No. Once you lose control of inflation, and I know from experience, and when you look into history, you cannot just press a magic button or have a magic wand and go out there fairy tale style and say inflation has to get lower. And then you got people like Jim Rickards that continues to talk about deflation and use his analogies, which, by the way, I'm a big fan of Jim Rickards, but this is just kind of becoming ridiculous to listen about all these false narratives about this deflation that nobody can see basically anywhere. Where are you seeing it? Like I said on my videos, you're seeing it in your bank accounts as you need more and more currency to buy goods. The prices are continuing to go up. So yeah, you're seeing deflation in your bank accounts. That is correct. The government keeps sending more and more money, more and more currency. Let me repeat that again and correct myself. They send more and more currency, and you need more of it. So you see that the numbers go up, but they don't go up as fast as the dollar, meaning your purchasing power is going down. You go back in my videos on my YouTube channel, I even named a lot of videos based on this phenomenon, even though it's just economics 101, what's been going on. So this whole narrative, again, that, cheers, by the way, I'm drinking coffee, that all this money that the government is giving to everyone basically right now is going to be hidden under the pillow, which is basically their case for deflation, which, by the way, Mike Maloney talked about it for a long time, and now he's definitely backtracking a lot on his calls when it comes to deflation. But nobody's guaranteeing you that. Why would you think that somebody is going to put all this cash, thousands of dollars, that the government is sending under the pillow or put it back in the bank? What if they just do 5%, 1% of research, use a little bit of common sense, like go out to the grocery store and realize if they don't start getting stuff right now, it's going to cost more tomorrow. So they might start stacking up on canned foods. And some people call it crack up boom. This is, again, it just defeats the entire deflationary narrative, like I said, that's been pushed 24/7 before you, and all these people just keep circling around. No, the debate is over. The stock market is going to crash at some point. There is no doubt about that. The real estate is going to crash. It will be a global crash. There is no doubt about that. But we have no idea what is going to happen to food prices, what is going to happen to energy. What if we have, for instance, another war in the Middle East? What if things escalate with, I don't know, Venezuela, something with Russia? We're not talking about end of the world here, but what if there is some other conflict where crude oil goes $150 a barrel and now you're paying $10 a gallon instead of $3, whatever it is in your area? So just think about this. I believe this is a very important video. If you do find it informative, share it with your family and friends. That's my rooster annoying, saying hello, by the way. Hold on one second. And I will leave you off with my stock picks that I talked about recently. Again, this is not trading, investing advice. You do your own research. I talked about, I am long right now as we speak, Exxon, XOM, Smith & Wesson, SWBI. I will write all these stock tickers down below. And today I'm entering, this is my new entrance in Harmony Gold. HMY, I believe, is the stock ticker. But again, all the details, all the names will be posted in the description box down below. So I will be looking into this Harmony Gold. I like this 5% sell-off today. The chart looks good. 200-day average is over $5. Right now it's in low 4s. I see a nice uptick here coming up and possibly taking some profits. This is not my long-term hold, by the way. My long-terms are Osisko, Royalty and Streaming, Mavericks. I talked about these ones. I really love Wheaton Precious Metals, and of course Franco-Nevada, but those are higher up there. But remember, it doesn't matter about the quantity of stocks you own. Let's say Franco is $170 and the other one is $17, and now you're saying, well, I can get a lot more of this one. That the quantity does not matter. It's the quality and the return on your investment, the percentage, the return on your investment. So that's what you're looking for. So even if you can afford one of those higher end stocks, the percentage can be higher than the ones that you bought for cheaper. So those are my picks, my talking points for today. Again, sorry about the noise out here, but I don't get a chance to to do much inside the house because the kids will be on top of my head, and out here obviously it's the animals, it's flies, it's who knows what. So talk soon, and God bless you all.